Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a C-suite executive, a multinational corporate director, or a startup founder, you already know that information security is no longer just an IT headache, right? It's literally the bedrock of your organizational trust and operational survival. So today, we're diving straight into the core architecture of a compliant, robust information security manual. We're going to show you exactly how to bypass years of painful trial and error and achieve instant operational maturity. Let's get right into it.
Okay, we need to confront a massive, hidden compliance trap that might actually be threatening your organization right this second. Honestly, ask yourself, are your general employees completely starved for operational direction? You might have the most airtight, bulletproof security intentions up in the executive boardroom, but there's often this dangerous disconnect when it hits the operational floor. If the folks actually handling your data, operating your systems, and building your products don't have crystal clear daily guidance, your security posture, well, it's basically an illusion.
And why does this happen? Well, far too many executives unknowingly build their organization's foundation on, and this phrasing is absolutely crucial here, obsolete, superseded standards of a bygone era. They rely on these outdated frameworks, fragmented documents, or worst of all, just verbal folklore passed down between departments. When you anchor your operations to obsolete, superseded standards of a bygone era, you aren't just falling behind. You're actively injecting vulnerabilities right into your daily workflows and leaving your operations completely exposed to modern threats.
So how do we fix this? We have to look at the specific architecture required by top-tier compliance frameworks. We're going to focus strictly on the policy clause and the operational planning and control clause. These form the essential bridge in your organization. They mandate that you must actively combine your top-level executive security mandates with general everyday operational directives for all staff. It's not enough to just write out a high-level promise, The policy clause and the operational planning and control clause demand that this promise translates into concrete planning that actually guides every single department.
But here is the core operational risk hiding in plain sight at most companies. Imagine a lead developer accidentally pushing highly sensitive customer data to a public repository. Why did it happen? Because organizations will spend months writing this massive information security manual, only to lock it away in a restricted admin folder. That makes it completely unavailable to the very general employees who desperately need that operational direction. Security can't be a secret kept by the IT department. If your staff cannot access the manual, they literally cannot follow it.
And this total lack of visibility, this operational starvation, it sets the stage for a devastating business threat, a catastrophic major non-conformance audit failure. For you C-suite leaders and founders out there, a major non-conformance isn't just a slap on the wrist. It's the #1 reason enterprise sales cycles instantly freeze. It means your certification gets denied or suspended, it breaches client trust, and it violently signals to the market that your executive team has fundamentally failed to govern its own security operations. Let's look at exactly how this failure gets triggered. This catastrophic major non-conformance under the policy clause, as well as the policies for information security control, happens precisely when your manual is treated as a static document. The trap snaps shut the moment your manual has not been reviewed or reapproved by management following major organizational or infrastructure changes. Think about the reality of business today. If you just acquired a new company or aggressively shifted your database to a new cloud environment and your manual under the policy clause and the policies for information security control hasn't been reapproved to reflect that new reality, you are staring down the barrel of a catastrophic audit failure.
Notice the stark contrast in these potential operational states. On one side, you have catastrophic compliance risk, hidden manuals, and employee starvation, where your team is just constantly guessing at security protocols. On the other side is the ultimate goal, a streamlined, battle-hardened state of readiness. This is where policies are perfectly aligned with your latest infrastructure changes and readily accessible to the entire workforce. Usually, bridging that gap costs hundreds of thousands of dollars in consulting fees and months of agonizing lost productivity. But frankly, we just don't have time for that.
Section 1. The Elite Ready-Made Solution, ISO 27001 Institute Template. We are moving aggressively to the ultimate solution for corporate leaders who demand instant compliance and ironclad operational directives. This ready-made information security manual template from the ISO 27001 Institute is not your run-of-the-mill boilerplate document. It's a meticulously crafted, battle-tested asset designed by an elite committee. We are talking top-tier InfoSec experts, principal auditors who actually conduct these rigorous certification checks, and lead instructors. This elite brain trust has done all the heavy lifting, synthesizing decades of audit experience into a single manual tailored to perfectly satisfy the policies for information security control.
By leveraging this template, you ensure your enterprise immediately aligns with the absolute cutting edge of compliance. This manual represents, and again, this is key, the latest version of the standard which withstands the test of current times and the latest evolved learning curves. You are completely bypassing those obsolete, superseded standards of a bygone era we talked about earlier and plugging your enterprise directly into the most resilient, modern ISMS framework available today.
Let's quantify exactly what this leap forward looks like for your operations, starting with the number 35. You're instantly getting 35 comprehensive pages of indispensable guidelines and vetted best practices. It covers every single mandate, every essential operational directive, and perfectly balances executive intent with clear, everyday guidance for your general employees. You ensure they are literally never starved for operational direction again.
Next up, look at the number 2. This represents the mere couple of minutes it takes your administrative team to fully customize this robust template. It's designed for immediate, friction-free deployment. You simply swap in your organization's unique name, apply your corporate logo, and bam! You have a world-class, auditor-approved information security manual ready to be distributed right out of that restricted admin folder and straight into the hands of your staff. Finally, let's talk about the number 20. Because implementing this expertly designed, ready-made template gives your organization an instant 15 to 20-year head start in your ISMS operational maturity. Think about that massive advantage. You are acquiring 2 decades of audit wisdom, principal auditor insights, and evolved learning curves in just a matter of minutes. You completely bypass the growing pains, the critical audit failures, and the operational friction that plague most companies trying to scale their security organically.
So, to all the C-suite and startup leaders tuning in, the final question is simply this. Are you going to remain trapped by hidden compliance risks, risking a catastrophic major non-conformance under the policy clause because your manual is buried and unreviewed? Or will you empower your workforce, eliminate the guesswork, and instantly leap decades ahead in operational maturity with a battle-hardened solution? The choice to secure your enterprise's future is quite literally at your fingertips.